So I just got back and it was amazing. We saw a gator, we saw a blue heron, we saw all the animals. The Florida Everglades is a subtropical wetland ecosystem spanning 2 million acres across Central and South Florida. It's home to birds, snakes, insects, frogs and toads, iguanas, the elusive Florida panther, and you got it, alligators. There are over 200,000 alligators in the Everglades, but over 1.5 million in the state of Florida. Alligators do not eat human beings, but they love cameras. Oh my gosh, we're so close!
Oh no, it's getting close to us.
Hey guys! Oh, Jesus. How do you know?
Look how close they see those.
The eyeballs, that's how you can tell.
Definitely check this out if you're ever in the Miami area. Find out more about the Everglades and how you can take a tour online.